In this video, I'm going to cover the question number 5. In that we have two questions. See here, find the square root of each of the following and correct it to two decimal places. And just look at the number which is in the fraction. So first we will convert to the improper, then we will do division. Okay. So see here, 5 3 is a 15, 15 plus 4 is 19. So 19 by 5. Now we will do division here, that is 19 by divided by 5. Now see here, 5 3 is a 15, 9 minus 5 remainder I'll get a 4. So what I'll do, I'll add here point, let me take a 0. Now 5 8 is a 40. So now the remainder we got 0. Now for the 3.8 we need to find the square root and up to, that is 2 decimal places. Okay. Now first we need to make a pair, right? So at the left side we have only one digit, let it be as it is. At the right side we have only, that is also one digit. So let me add here 0. Now it's become, we can make a pair here. Now here it is 3, start with the 1, 1 is a 1, left with the 2. Now let me take this 80 down. So we got now 280 and 1 we need to add here. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now for this, to do the division, I'm taking here 9, the same number we need to add here. Before that we need to add the point here, because after 3 we have point. Now see here, 29 9s I'll get 261. Now 10 minus 1 it will become 9 and it has become 7. 7 minus 6 I'll get 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. Now they asked us to find out up to 2 decimal places. So we got only one decimal place. Let me take pair of zeros here. Let me take it down. Now it's become a 1900 and this 9 we need to add here, that is 9 plus 9 is 18 plus here 1 plus 2 is 3. So we got here 38. Now to do the division of 1900, I'll take here 4, the same number we need to write here. So now 384 4s I'll get 1536. Okay. Now this we need to do subtract now. Now 10 minus 6 I'll get 4 and here it is 6 and here it is 6 3 and 0. So I got here 364. Yes, according to the question we found 2 decimal place, but still we need to find one more to check whether it is going to remain 4 as it is or it is going to become a 5. Okay, so let me take pair of zeros here. Let me take it down. Now it's become 36,400 and this 4 we need to add here. 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 and this 3. Now I'm going to take the number here 9, the same number I'm going to add here. Now 3889 9s I'll get 35,001. And see here, after subtraction it is left with a 1399. Now leave as it is. Okay, now look at this number we got, that is 1.949. Okay, now look at this number, the 9 which is the greater than 5. So in that case what we need to do, we need to add 1 to this 4. So it will become 1.95. Therefore square root of 3.8, answer is 1.95. And they asked us to find up to 2 decimal place, right? So that we found. So in that we have another question, question number 2. 6 7 by 8. See here, 8 6 the 48, 48 plus 7 we need to do addition. 48 plus 7 I'll get, that is 55 by 8. Now this we need to do division to find out the number. So here let me start with the 8 6 48. The remainder I'll get here 7. Now let me add here point. Let me take a 0. Now take it down, it will become 70 now. For this nearest 8 8 is 64 I'll take. 6 here it will become 0. Now let me take 0. Now for this nearest, like 8 7 is 56 I'll take to do the division. 4 0. Now take 0. So we can add right here also. Now 8 5 is 40. The remainder we got 0. Here the number is 6.875 and this square root we need to find now. Now let me write it here, 6.875. As you can see at the left side we have only one digit, so we can't make a pair, but look at the right side, we have to make a pair, right? So that is also from left to right side. So here as only one digit I'm adding 0, it will become a no pair. Now let's start doing the division by division method. Now to the division of 6, nearest perfect square I'll take 2. 2 2s are 4. So 6 minus 4, that is 2. Let me take this down, 87. Now it's become a 287. Here it is point. Let me add it here. Now 2 plus 2, 4. This 2 we need to add here. 2 plus 2 is 4. Now to do the division, we need to take one number here, right? So I'm going to take a 6 and the same number we need to write here also. So now 46, 6 I'll get 276. 7 minus 6 is 1, 8 minus 7 is 1, 2 minus 2 is 0. 50, it will come down. Now we have 1150. Meanwhile 6 we need to add here. 6 plus 6 is 12. 1 plus 4 is 5. We got here 52. Now I'm going to write 2 here. The same number we need to write here. So 522 2s I'll get 1044. 10 minus 4 is 6 and 0 1 0. According to the question, we got 2 decimal place, but still we need to find one more decimal place, as we know that. So I'm taking here pair of zeros. Let me take it down. Now it's become a 10,600. Now these 2 we need to add here. 2 plus 2 is 4, 2, 5, 524. Now to do the division of this, I'm going to take the number here 2. The same number I'm going to write here. So I'm having now 5,242 2s are 10,484. Okay, this we need to do subtract. After subtraction it is left with the 160. Okay, now see here. Now I'm just writing here. We got actually 2.6222. Okay, so in the third decimal place we have digit 2, which is smaller than 5. So I'm just writing only 2.62 only now. Okay, if it is equals to 5 or if it is greater than 5, we would have changed 2 to 3. Okay, but it is not required now. Therefore, square root of 6.875 equals to 2.62, up to 2 decimal places they have asked. No, that is what this.